The AI coins are running right now, like for instance Ori chain, which is up 30% in the last 2 days. I feel like there are two primary narratives right now in the space. The one is the whole meme coin narrative, and the other one is the AI narrative. Now I might be looking into this a tad bit much, but I feel like liquidity in this space is sort of shuffles from one category to another. Before it was in the meme coins, then it went to like the mainstayers. You got the XRP, the XLM, all of that stuff ran, and now it feels like all of that liquidity is sort of shuffling around in the AI space right now. Now, Render is one such AI coin, and I get a lot of requests on this in the comments section. We get a lot of requests on the live streams. I've been talking to friends too recently, and even they mentioned Render. I'm like, okay, let me go ahead and look at this chart. So today I pulled up Render, and I'm like, holy moly, this looks good. This looks good. And I believe that there is a trade opportunity on the horizon. Now guys, if you're looking to put on any of these trades and you're looking for a good, reliable exchange, then definitely check out BitUnix. There's no KYC, no country restriction. So irrespective of where you are, you can actually trade on there. If you use the link in the description below, you can get up to 5.5K in deposit bonuses, which you can use towards your trading. It's going to help you minimize your risk on these positions. Now, as far as Render is concerned, guys, I want to get on over to the macro time frame. Zoom out with me here. This is the 3-month time frame. The most critical region of support I believe Render has actually pulled back into and found support on. That's where the buyer stepped in, was this region right here at around $6.15. All right, you can see just how neat this was. Prices shot up, pulled back into 615, and then rallied once again. The buyer stepped in. In fact, some people could even look at this as a massive bull flag right now on Render. But let's not get ahead of ourselves here. Let's take it one step at a time, because even the most minor target is a huge one. That flag portion of the bull flag actually has another hidden pattern within it, and this is where the magic is happening right now. Right, this is a massive cup and handle formation to which the neckline comes in right here. We're looking at $11.85 on that neckline. Now, cup and handles through a technical standpoint are bullish patterns. If I go ahead and take the measured move of this pattern, plot it on the break, it's going to take us all the way up to $42 per token. From where price is at currently to $42, that's going to be a good 389% on that move. All right, so now everyone's excited. 389%, damn. Should I be jumping into Render right now, right here? No, guys, that's not how you trade. You want to make this easy for you, okay? And to make trading easy, you always want to capture the best bid on the chart. And what are the best bids on the chart? Well, those bids that are easy for you to manage. Trading is a game of probabilities and not certainties. Yes, there's a higher probability because we're in a bull market that these assets actually rise in price. But there is also a probability where prices draw back, like we break levels, and then we get into a bear market. There is that outcome too. Now, a good bid on the chart is one that's going to keep you riding those amazing trends, but a good bid is also one that's going to help you understand when you are wrong on the trade very fast. That way you get to get out with a minimal loss. So where does this bid come in at? Well, I have made an observation. My observation is this. When Render starts trending, it trends best on the 12-hour time frame. That's right. If you're looking to catch those rapid moves, those rapid trends to the upside before they then draw back and the price action gets boring, those rapid trends are best found on the 12-hour time frame. And just look at this 12-hour price action right now. We're currently in an uptrend. We're trying to establish an uptrend here on the 12-hour time frame. However, is this enough information to be like, okay, I'm going to trade on the 12-hour time frame? No, guys. We got some tools here at Mango, some very objective friends that's going to keep us on the right side of these trends. And what is that objective friend? Well, it's none other than the Mango dynamic indicator. Go ahead and pull that up on your charts, please. Now recall the criteria of a good bid opportunity. Number 1, a bid that's going to keep you riding the best parts of the trend, but also a bid, a level that's going to help you understand when you are wrong on the trade. That way you get to get out with a minimal loss. My observation is that this trends extremely well on the 12-hour dynamic support. Now, the dynamic indicator helps us understand when the trends are about to begin, but also gives us the best bid opportunities when that trend begins. You can see this run up right where Render ran from around $4 all the way up to $11. That was a good 154%, but we trended on dynamic support, where in every single test of dynamic support was picked up by the buyers. You were rewarded almost immediately if you managed to catch any of those trades. However, when we broke dynamic support, what happened? Well, that was a crazy meltdown back down to $6, right? But you knew that you were wrong on the trade very, very fast because prices closed multiple candles underneath dynamic support, telling you that you were wrong, right? That's what makes a bid a good one. So here the dynamic had a positive slope. Dynamic is green, green equals bullish, great stuff. We rallied 156% to the upside, and then we saw the pullback. Now once again, prices try to establish a trend on that 12-hour dynamic support. That cloud is currently green, telling us that okay, the bulls are in control. We got a positive slope on there. However, is price close to that dynamic support right now? It's not. Now, once again, guys, if you're looking to take this trade, you're looking for a good exchange, then definitely check out BitUnix. Now, this level right here on the dynamic support, for those of you who do not have the indicator, it comes in from around $8.07 going all the way down to $7.95. Now we have a brand new print on the dynamic levels with every new candle. So if you guys want to keep up to date with that, make sure hitting the sub and the bell icon. But this right here is going to be your primary bid opportunity on Render's current trend. I personally am going to be looking for something like this, where prices come down, tap the 12-hour dynamic, we establish that trend and make our way all the way up to the neckline of that beautiful cup and handle formation. And even from our bid zone to the neckline of that formation, that's still going to be a good 48% on that rally alone. Just fine. This is not even withstanding the break of the neckline. For those of you wondering, well, Krisha, can we actually even make our way down to that dynamic support? Like, this price action right here is looking too strong. What if we don't get that test? Well, let's actually go ahead and get a better read on this, okay? The dashboard, to get into the dashboard, app.mangoresearch.co, let's go ahead and render. Let's go ahead and filter out render from this list. All right, so render USDT currently longs across the board from the 4-hour time frame to the daily time frame. We have positive returns. Damn. The 4-hour trend, if you manage to catch your trade on the 4-hour time frame when we did get that reversal, say you had an alert set in, you're up a good 21% on your trade already. So given that the volatility is currently red, we might see the bulls actually approach a zone of exhaustion. So yeah, we could actually expect a pullback on the charts sometime soon. Once again, fall back into 12-hour dynamic support. That is going to be your optimal bid zone. Now, if you guys want access to the dynamic indicator, you'll find it on the mango.com/dynamic. I will be linking it in the comments section. So with this, you have the bid zone, you have the beautiful cup and handle formation marker, and you have the target coming in at around $43 per token. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like. I will now see you in the Discord chat. If there are any other coins you want me to cover, let me know in the comments section. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.